Let's take a look at the music and sound effect controls. These are located in the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard here. This drop-down menu lets you select the music. Music is organized into general moods, and the specific song that plays is randomly selected. You can even select silence if you want to stop the background music entirely. Use silence sparingly, however, because music plays a massive role in creating the simulator's immersive atmosphere. The sound effect controls are right below the music controls. Some of the most common sound effects have buttons right here. These include various different levels of alert sounds, as well as an assortment of other common effects. This button here triggers the impact rumble effect, which both includes a rumble sound effect and shakes the camera in the view screen. Beyond these handy buttons, you can access even more sound effects from this drop-down menu. If you'd like a specific sound effect added, just let us know and we'll put it in. Sound effects can also be triggered by keyboard hotkeys, but we'll explain that in a separate video.